In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a client portal in Notion. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or part of a larger team, creating a dedicated space for your clients can streamline communication, organize deliverables, and make your professional interactions more effective and efficient. To begin, we're going to create a new page in Notion and label it Client Portal. This will be the main hub of our portal and the first thing your clients will see when they access it. So, you'll want to ensure it reflects your brand professionally. Start by adding your company branding to the page. This includes elements like your company's logo and a cover image. Think about how these visuals can reinforce your brand's identity and set the tone for the interactions your clients will have with your portal. Next, craft a warm and welcoming message to greet your clients. This could be brief, but it should clearly convey the purpose of the portal and your anticipation of working together. Now let's focus on building the backbone of your client portal, the client database. This section will help keep everything organized and easily accessible for both you and your clients. One of the primary components you'll want to include is a space for deliverables and approvals. This can be an invaluable tool for tracking the progress of your projects. Use this section to list out all pending and completed deliverables, attached with their respective deadlines. It can also serve as a transparent record for approvals, ensuring that all parties are on the same page as the project evolves. May I also suggest incorporating a section for meeting notes into your database? This will allow you to maintain a comprehensive history of all discussions, decisions, and action items that emerge from your meetings with clients. You can create separate entries for each meeting and include the date, attendees, key discussion points, and agreed upon next steps. This not only helps in organizational clarity, but also aids in remembering specifics that may need to be revisited in the future. As you build and customize your client portal, keep in mind that the layout and format should make navigation intuitive for your clients. Consistency in design can enhance usability, and organizing information logically can help them find what they need effortlessly. Additionally, don't forget to pay attention to permissions. Notion allows you to manage who can view, comment, or edit your pages, which is important when you share this portal with clients. You'll want to ensure that sensitive information remains secure, while still allowing clients sufficient access to the content they should see. With these components in place, your branded client portal page, a well-structured client database for deliverables and approvals, and a repository for meeting notes, you'll have designed a space in Notion that not only aligns with your brand, but also strengthens your relationship with your clients. This client portal can be a critical asset in maintaining transparency, managing expectations, and fostering a collaborative environment. So there you have it. A comprehensive approach to setting up a client portal in Notion. Happy building!